Hey guys, so I just finished my live stream. There was great intel. We're praying that it's done. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna fast as long as I did because I need to get my nutrition, because nutrition is key to healing. So I'm just gonna overview my products. People have asked. So this is the basic nutrition. I suggest the Now because it's already got a scoop of the Lunicin in it, or a serving of the Lunicin in it. So the basic nutrition is always the foundation. Then I'm gonna go to my functional formula, Cardio Essentials, which is my heart health product. I take a full scoop in every shake. I'm gonna show you how I moderate it for an injury. Provantage is oil for your muscles. This is a muscular soft tissue injury. So I usually use an Energize scoop in my Provantage. So I get a third of a scoop, but I'm gonna do a full scoop. So I'm gonna do 3 scoops of Provantage because this is a muscle problem. This is how, it's kind of like, you know, I use nutrition. So that's a full scoop of Provantage. Now, the can's not going to last very long if you do a full scoop because there's only 15 servings in this container. So if you use a full scoop, this is going to be gone in 2 weeks. So just so you know that, that's why we use Energize scoops, because just doing like a half a scoop a day or 2/3 of a scoop a day, like the Energize scoop is 1/3. And then I do a whole scoop of Provantage. Anyways, just by doing that, it keeps my muscles pliable. I don't throw out my back or whatever. So it just helps me. Arth Effect, I'm gonna do 2 scoops of this because this has 7 grams of hydrolyzed collagen. It's got like that, so 2 scoops is 14 grams of hydrolyzed collagen. Now this is a very strong flavor profile, but this is amazing. This is the reason why I didn't have a knee replacement, but I can't make any health claims. You have to see what your own experience is. 24K, brain enhancing stuff. I might, since I'm kind of hobbled today, I might do some membership content. So I need my brain working. Plus, this is a berry flavor. I just love it. And then as always, or not as always, I usually use the 24K and not so much the Energize, but I'm going to do the Energize today. Why? Because Energize is a hydrator, a cell hydrator. I need to have extra hydration today. And I need to open up my cells to receive all this nutrition. Now, after that, I'm adding, because I'm doing a meal replacement, I'm not going to eat food. I would rather have good nutrition than food today until we do my 1 meal a day, which is what I suggest. So I add an additional scoop of this protein from Sun Warrior, Warrior Blend, because we're all warriors in the kingdom, right? And then this is the collagen. I do a scoop of this too. And I do the, what is this? The Tahitian vanilla. Now I went over all of this at my 2 p.m. yesterday, I think, but I don't think I showed you what it was. So this is what I was putting in my shake. Then I do a little bit of this. This is creatine, which is good for muscle development and women. And it's also good for the booty, right? And then I do this because this is good for your boobs. If you're a woman, organic bee pollen, evidently it's good for that, for healthy breast tissue. So I just put a little bit in that. And that's all that's in it. Plus I do yogurt. I always do yogurt. Why? Because yogurt has probiotics. I'll show you what yogurt I put in my shake. I'm not using my holder. My holder's on the thing. I've got to go see my puppy soon, but I wanted to get this done for you because people always ask. I use Chobani Greek whole milk plain yogurt. And then I take whatever berries I have to use. And these are the older strawberries that are separated because they're older. I'm going to put those in my shake. I put a little bit of ice. I blend it up and I drink it and it's really good. Bye.